Hello everybody, I'm Gabby and this is Gabby Tech. Today we're going to do unboxing of this phone from this year. It's budget phone A21s, a good budget option from Samsung that is here on the market in order to make problems to the Chinese budget phones. It has everything that you need for your daily tasks on price around €150. Let's take a look at it. Let's unpack it with my majestic knife. Guys, if you want me to buy myself a new knife, you can send a little bit money and I'll buy a very cool one. I'll just peel this. Here it is. The box is typical Samsung box, very tight, it's hard to open sometimes, but it's okay. This is blue version with 32GB internal storage and 3GB RAM. In this pocket, let me guess, quick start guide and warranty card. Here is the phone itself, covered in nylon. I really get nice surprised when I see a pair of earplugs into the set, my USB Type-C charger, needle or ejecting tool for the SIM card, and fast charger adapter. That's what A21s comes with. Now let's take a closer look to the phone itself. Opening. Good. Design wise, I see beautiful back panel that is blue color. It's plastic, glass on the front. On the back panel there are 4 cameras that we'll take a little bit later. It's 192 grams. And here is our fingerprint scanner. We need 1 second in order to check how much time we need for it to recognize our finger. The display is 6.5 inch and 720 on 1060 pixels, which I don't like actually. That means 720. Oh, what is this? Anyway, let's turn it on. This is the phone. I forgot to mention, we see beautiful Super AMOLED display with very intense colors. Let me show you now the fingerprint reaction of the phone. This is very annoying sound that Samsung phones are doing when they turn on. You can choose cool wallpapers with the Galaxy wallpaper gallery and cool themes that will make your eye happy through the settings. Some of them are paid, there are free ones also. And there is also a dark and light mode. The interface is pretty clear, typical Samsung interface. Everything looks goodly organized. What can I say? Nice colors, everything nice. Let me mention a little bit about the camera. We'll test the camera, we'll do gaming test and we'll watch some videos. The camera is the impressive part of this phone. Samsung little cut from everywhere, from where they could, in order to improve the camera the best way they can. And here we see 4 camera blocks. 148 megapixel main sensor, 8 megapixel ultra wide sensor, and 2 megapixel macro sensor, plus 2 megapixel depth sensor for unique portrait photos and mode to have that creamy background behind. Then we have the front camera here in the left angle, 13 megapixels without optical stabilization, which is bad, but still the selfies looks nice with it. That phone has also a facial recognition, pre-installed apps like Netflix and Spotify, pre-installed games. It is basic phone to work on. In the menu here you can see our blue light filter and different features that you can choose through quick menu. You have Dolby Atmos, dark mode, music share, whatever you like. Basically the dark mode looks cool.
Dolby Atmos can be only used with headsets.
Dolby Atmos only can be used with headset, don't forget people. That's the dark theme of the phone. Basically, this here becomes black and here the menu is also black. Perfectly fine Android phone for €150. very good price, but if you ask me, I'll be a little bit honest here. I like more the Redmi series and the Xiaomi one, the same price sector, because they offer a little bit more. This is Samsung and they could improve a little bit stuff, but they don't. And the video capabilities are only 1080p 30 frames. Every phone can film 4K, come on. But for people who really want something budget that is good and can just want to cover their daily needs, this phone is completely fine. Also, one more thing that I really dislike is the plastic back on these phones, because all of my fingers, oily fingers, come here and it takes them. Look, if I don't wipe it all the time in my blouse, it wouldn't have that shiny beautiful effect, because it will be all fingerprinted.
That's not blouse, that's a hoodie.
Okay, it's a hoodie. It's time for PUBG Mobile, then video test and camera test with all of the 4 cameras, including the 5th on the front, and video capabilities. And then in the comment section you can tell me what do you think about this phone. If you have this budget, I recommend you to go Redmi 9 or 9S. So thank you for watching this review. Be sure to like and subscribe, enjoy the camera reviews, and follow me on social media. Let's be friends everywhere.